caffeine is real. What is going on, my SafeMoon astronauts? It is your Captain RJ coming in with another SafeMoon update. In today's video, we are going to go ahead and cover some pricing, we'll cover some Reddit posts, and we will cover a Twitter post. Before we get started, if you guys haven't already, please consider smashing that like button down below. It truly helps with the almighty YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other viewers such as yourselves and other potential viewers out there. Also, if you are new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload new content. Also, follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardonis. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday. I'm having a wonderful day. Today's day trading was amazing. I will upload another video on my day trading for today. I finished up today 14R. So what that means for those that don't day trade is, so normally when you're day trading, you're looking at a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So today I finished 14 times above the normal capital that I would normally risk. So amazing day today, very good day. And in terms of SafeMoon, even better. So SafeMoon being green today at the time of this recording is just the cherry on top. But we do have some stuff to go over. So without further ado, let's dive right on in to the flight deck. Welcome to the flight deck, everyone. So let's go ahead and take a look at today's global crypto market. The market is down 2.89% at the time of this recording. That puts Bitcoin down 5.22%, Ethereum up 0.04%, Binance down 5.92%, Cardano down 1.50%, XRP down 3.73%, and Dogecoin down 3.31%. That puts SafeMoon up 1.31%, landing us in the 2213 area. We have done $14 million worth of volume in the last 24 hours, putting us up 48.28%. So what's going on really quickly here for a little bit of market analysis is, remember, as I told you guys, this is blue skies ahead for Bitcoin. So let's open Bitcoin here and we will see, on a 7-day period, Bitcoin reached 66,000, which is all-time highs. And as I had told everyone before, it is always very common to see a retracement level back, because you have to imagine, right? The market is just mass psychology, meaning you have to assume and predict what people will be doing. So people had bought into Bitcoin, somewhere around here before 60,000, maybe around 57,000. People are wanting to take and secure profits. So therefore, that is normally what you will see here when people retrace. When the price retraces back is because people are taking profits. And so I believe we're going to see a test of the support level of $60,000 for Bitcoin. If it can hold $60,000, it'll bounce back up and rally and continue to move its momentum upwards. But really good stuff to see on SafeMoon here, that we are still up as the market itself is starting to kind of follow Bitcoin into the red to try and test that retracement level. For us, if we were to bounce back, like I said, we would probably test the 2-0 area again. And if we test the 2-0, we're either going to bounce back up and move its continuation upwards. Heading on over to the Reddit community. Just for the record, SafeMoon is the only token that made it to the top 100 cryptos without any listing on major exchanges. So when we're talking major exchanges like Robinhood, Kraken, Binance, right? We're obviously part of other exchanges like Bitmart, but we're talking major exchanges here. So SafeMoon is huge. SafeMoon is the evolution. And we're going to continue this bullish energy in these next couple of tabs here. SafeMoon bullish AF. So if we take a look at the SafeMoon army, let's just go ahead and open this up a little bit here. We'll see SafeMoon wallet has been released. Number 2, V2 consolidation. 3, exchange, blockchain, the Gambia, Operation Phoenix, wind turbines. All of this is set to release within these next 3 months, assuming there's no setbacks or delays. And there's obviously a lot more projects we don't know about. This is absolutely insane. Find me another token or crypto that is moving like SafeMoon with all of these in the pipeline, that is not just purely hype. And then a post that I want to read here. So this is the Binance rumors about being listed on Binance and why this is such a big and huge move for us. There has been a lot of things going on in the comment section on why being listed on Binance is such a good thing. And we're going to look at historical data for that. So here's a post by Kempu. I wanted to look into what could be the scenario if these rumors ever come true. At the time of writing, we are sitting at the price point of 0.5022. In order to get listed into Binance, I believe we have to go through V2 implementation and consolidation to allow, for example, BTC pairing on exchanges. This is something that CEO John Crony has talked about in the past. After consolidation, we would be looking at the price point of 0.002 with the 1001 consolidation ratio. In a great article back from 2018 by Bitcoin Exchange Guide, addresses this thing called the Binance effect and an investigation of the effect done by Astral Crypto. In the investigation, they took a look at 15 cryptocurrencies before and after being listed on Binance. The research told that the average maximum profit potential from Binance listings is 109%. This means if you had bought right before the news dropped and sold at the peak of hype during the day of listing, you could double your money on average. The average percentage price change from a week before the Binance listing to a week after the Binance listing is about 32%. The reason for this effect is that it shows credibility and it makes for buying the coin much easier. So after listing, we could be looking at a price point of 0.004 right from the get-go. Just some random thoughts, hope it gives somebody something. And of course, he linked the article from Bitcoin Exchange Guide here. And that is huge. This is why I keep telling everyone, right? Every single time SafeMoon has the potential to really further its reach and further its visibility, this is better for SafeMoon. And this is why, again, I've told everyone this about the V2 consolidation and why this is a good thing is because it puts us in a price point that is much more credible. When we're looking at 0.004 and we are about halfway there to the actual penny, and it looks much, much better than having all these zeros, right? We are trying to move ourselves in a more credible / professional / acceptable cryptocurrency. And it is tough, it really is tough to look at SafeMoon and see if it's credible with all these zeros in front of it. Now when we get into, I'm talking like a penny, 10 cents, 15 cents, this is much better to look at in terms of professionalism and potential future investors. And so when we consolidate, this is why I'm so excited for this, because we will be taken with much more credibility. We will look much better when it comes to listings, and it'll open us up to other pairings such as Binance. And that is amazing. Heading on over to Twitter, this is the tweet from SafeMoon Hound, and this is an awesome tweet that I'm super excited about. He says, "It's alive. Reflections tracker working on both iOS and Android for multiple reflection tokens, complete with simple time frame charts pulling straight from the blockchain for precise accuracy, and midway through the 13 plus global languages." So this is amazing because I've been waiting for this reflections tracker for a long time now, a long time. This is something that helps me pitch SafeMoon to other potential new holders because it'll allow me to open up the app and say, look how many tokens I have gotten just holding SafeMoon. It makes such an easier pitch to other people out there when I can just open an app and show them how many more reflection tokens I have gotten just from holding. And of course, nothing to shy about. The 13 plus global languages is amazing. I feel like this is flying under the radar, but this shows that SafeMoon is wanting to be a global crypto and wanting to further its reach on other countries out there. If they weren't looking at 13 plus languages, if they were just looking at US English and British English and Australian English, then, that just tells us that SafeMoon is wanting to grow within that space. But obviously they're wanting to grow outside of that. So therefore they're implementing all these other languages in there, which really does speak volume. So I hope you guys really did enjoy that video. Again, in terms of pricing, if I were just to really go over that really quickly here, it's always normal to see a retracement back after you break through a major support level. So for example, Bitcoin, its major resistance level was the $60,000 mark. For SafeMoon, it was the 2-0 mark. And since Bitcoin had punched through the 60,000 mark and SafeMoon punched through the 2-0 mark, it is common in the trading world to see a retracement back to test that new level. And if it tests it and bounce back up, then it's going to continue its move upwards. If not, it's just going to crash right through that new support level and act as new resistance, meaning we're going to trade below the 2-0 again, and Bitcoin is going to trade below the 60,000. But no one ever knows what's going to happen, but it is common to see that retracement level after it breaks through all-time highs. And then of course some clarification on why being listed on a major exchange such as Binance or maybe possibly Kraken or more so of these big exchanges is really a good thing for SafeMoon. One, it establishes credibility, and two, more visibility, right? If SafeMoon just traded in the SafeMoon exchange, that's cool for everyone that knows about the ecosystem and maybe word of mouth. But when others don't know about SafeMoon and they're trading on big platforms like Binance or they're trading on platforms like Kraken, then they start to see that sometimes in the chart and they're like, oh, what's SafeMoon? It looks like it's moving up in the ranks. It went from 100 to 96, top 96 in terms of market cap. And it starts to really attract other investors out there. And if we're talking big money institutional investors, it's always good to catch their eyes as well, because then that's what really helps move price upwards. So that's an awesome benefit to being listed on a major exchange. Also, obviously, SafeMoon Hound, aka Ryan, has tweeted that the Reflections tracker is live on the beta version, so that is amazing. I cannot wait to see that live on the actual SafeMoon wallet because that is a feature I have been looking for a long time now. With that being said, if you guys did enjoy this video, smashy that like button down below. It helps the almighty YouTube algorithm promote this video and this channel to find other viewers such as yourselves and other potential viewers out there. Also, if you are new, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you are notified every single time I upload new content. Also, follow me on my other social media platforms here. It is just at RJ Ardonis. I hope everyone is having a wonderful Thursday. With that being said, life is too short, so eat some delicious food, drink some delicious drinks, do some good in the world, spread some positive vibes, and I'm going to see everyone on the next SafeMoon video next time.